Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel mashup with a 20x12 Xtreme Mudder 313 with a black and milled window finish and a 37 1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tire. Now this Fury mud terrain tire is more similar to a RT tire than a mud terrain tire. Fury's tires are not as aggressive as a typical mud terrain tire, but that's good for any on-road use because it handles better and it sounds better on the road. Now, in terms of the Xtreme Mudder wheel, I was skeptical, not gonna lie. When I pulled these out of the box, I was thinking maybe this wasn't the right wheel choice. However, after getting them mounted and balanced and after throwing them on the Jeep, I like them. Xtreme Mudder offers this wheel just like most of their wheels in a couple different options. You can get it in a 20x12, which is what we have, on a 13 wide, or you can get it in a 20x10. You can also get it in a chrome finish. Besides that, there's not very much more to talk about. I am loving how these Furies are handling and how they balance. They balance very well and they handle great on the road. Also, Fury just released a 12-ply in their mud terrain tire along with their RT tire. So if you have a 3/4 ton truck, you can get a 12-ply and be able to haul just as good as with a Toyo or a Nitto. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or shoot us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And if you want to buy these wheels or these tires or a lift or a bumper or anything for your vehicle, please go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. Anyhow, I'm Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.